placed 8-inch steel targets out at 300 metres, 200 metres and 100 metres. I'm using CCI Maximag 40 grain ammunition. I'm using a Vortex Strike Eagle 1-6 sight. I've gone on the Vortex website and put some of the data into the long range ballistic calculator, and I've tried to work out where I think the 200 and 300 metre points will be on the reticle. Right, let's see if we can hit 100 metres. Shouldn't be too hard, hopefully. Now up to 200 metres. Now to see if I can hit the target at 300 metres.
"300 metres in the bag."
The point of aim that I had worked out on the reticle hasn't quite matched up to where the rounds are impacting, so I've had to use the data that I've got today and come up with different points on the sight.